Hello students, welcome to Sourav classes. Today we'll be learning about the linear dependence and independence of vectors. So let us start off with linear dependence. Now linear dependence implies that if we have a vector space, suppose VF. So this is basically the vector space that we'll be dealing with. So if VF is the vector space and then we have a finite set of vectors, let those vectors be v1, v2 and it goes all up till vn of v, then this v1, v2, v3 up till vn are said to be linearly dependent if there exists scalars, suppose a1, a2, a3 up till an, which belong to f and not all are 0. There may be some of the scalars may be 0, suppose a1 can be 0, a3 can be 0, but not all of them are 0, such that a1 into v1 plus a2 into v2 plus a3 into v3 up till an into vn is equal to 0. So this is the definition for linear dependence. Now let us move on to linear independence. Linear independence. Now linear independence also means that we have a vector space VF is the vector space, and then we have a finite set of vectors v1, v2, v3 up till vn, and there exists scalars a1, a2 up till an which belong to f, and the condition that a1 into v1 and a2 into v2 up till an into vn equal to 0 implies that a1 is equal to 0, a2 is equal to 0, and this goes on up till an is equal to 0, or basically we can write that implies that ai, where ai is equal to 0, where I lies between 1 and n. So what is the linear independence? Let me explain it. So we have a vector space VF, and then we have a finite set of vectors v1, v2, v3 up till vn, and then there exists scalars a1, a2, a3, a up till an which belongs to f. In that case, if we have the condition that a1 into v1 plus a2 into v2 and up till an into vn is equal to 0, then this will definitely then imply then each of these scalar terms, which is a1, a2 and an, is equal to 0, which you can write in short as that ai is equal to 0 for I lying between 1 and n. So this is the thing about linear independence. So today we have learned about linear dependence and independence of vectors. In our next classes we will be learning about some important theorems on linear dependence and independence. Thank you very much.